I lift up my eyes to you who sit enthroned in heaven. As the eyes of slaves look to the hand of their master, so our eyes look to the Lord our God till He shows us His mercy. Our help is in the name of the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. We have escaped like a bird from the fowler's snare is broken. We're free. Have mercy on us, Lord, have mercy on us, for we have endured no end of tongue. We have endured no end of ridicule from the arrogant, of ridicule from the arrogant, of contempt from the pride. I lift up my eyes to you, to you who sit enthroned in heaven. As the eyes of slaves look to the hand of their master, as the eyes of a female slave look to the hand of her mistress, so our eyes look to the Lord our God till He shows us His mercy. Our help is in the name of the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Heaven and earth, heaven and earth. We've escaped like a bird from the fowler's snare. It's broken, we're free. Broken, we're free. Have mercy on us, Lord, have mercy on us, for we have endured no end of contempt. We have endured no end of ridicule from the arrogant, of contempt from the proud. Out, our hearts cry out, we seek your face. Your mercy holds us in this place. Our help is in the name of the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Our help is in the name of the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Heaven and earth, heaven and earth. We've escaped like a bird from the fowler's snare. It's broken, we're free. Broken, we're free. If the Lord had not been on our side, let Israel say. If the Lord had not been on our side when people attacked us, they'd have swallowed us alive when their anger fled against us. So our help is in the name of the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. Heaven, earth. We've escaped like a bird from the fowler's snare. It's broken, we're free. Broken, we're free. The flood would have engulfed us, the torrent swept over us, raging water swept us away. Praise be to the Lord who has I lift up my eyes to you who sit enthroned in heaven. As the eyes of slaves look to the hand of their master, so our eyes look to the Lord our God till He shows us His mercy.